What's up my sugies? Ashley here, and in today's video, it is a super special one. I'm going to be doing an empty house tour for you guys, and this is going to be a project that I'm going to be working on for probably the next decade. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's just a small but successful project that is going to be in the making. So as you can see by the title of this video, this is going to be an empty house tour, and I am so excited because I wanted to show you the layout of everything. I wanted you guys to get an idea about the lighting, the way that it looks, the fixtures, the colors, and then I'm also going to go through and give you a little bit of an idea of what we are going to be doing in each room. So there's going to be a lot of small projects, so stay tuned because that is going to be flooding my channel for 2021. So if you are interested in seeing this empty house tour, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, so this is gonna be the tour of the house, and I know it's super echoey, so ignore that, but here is the front room. This is going to be an office, which I love the glass French doors. And then right off of that is going to be a little powder room or half bath. And then you come into the living room with the stairs that go up, and as you can see, I've already started laying out sizes and shapes for the couch. And then next is the kitchen, which I love. As you can see, it's super open and beautiful. And then into they call this a morning room. So this is gonna be where the kitchen table is. I already started laying out ideas here, ton of light. And then this goes out to the patio. So in the kitchen, we have where the fridge is gonna go, and then this is the microwave and oven, a ton of cabinets for storage, and then I've already started pulling some options for backsplash and tile, and then as well as handles, so just making some decisions on that. And then one of my favorite projects I cannot wait to start on is going to be this massive pantry. It's got such a great shape and great structure. We're going to tear this out, do a whole custom build out, and hopefully copy that for my place as well. And then here are the stairs. I love the banister. It's got nice contrast with the super dark brown wood and then the black wrought iron. So the stairs are carpeted and it goes up, and then everywhere upstairs as well. And then I love how the railing goes upstairs as well. So as you can see here, this is going to be a completely open little loft. Gonna do some sort of like a movie room here. It's a smaller room, but nice and open. So super excited to do that. Then you come around and you have the master bedroom with tons of room, tons of light. I'm gonna do a bed on this wall or this wall, and then have some room over here for a TV or the opposing wall, a sitting area, you know, the whole nine. But I love all of the natural light. This has really good, nice neutral colors as well, which make it super easy to decorate. And then in the bathroom, just a regular standard bathroom with the cabinets. And they have the plain white cabinets with this countertop, which is a very simple, neutral white. I believe this is, it's not granite, it's not quartz. Of course, I cannot think of the name, but very simple, clean, neutral. And then over here you have the shower, which is nice. You have the windows outdoors, and then a nice kind of sitting area, and then this closet. It's huge, it's a great shape, it's super deep. It goes all the way down that way, as you can see. So tons of room for storage, custom shelving, a sitting area, all of that. Again, we're gonna take out the racks and do something similar to what we did in my beauty room. So I really, really love that about this room as well. Moving down the hallway, we have 2 bedrooms and then a bathroom and the laundry. So this room is the smaller of the two. Hopefully this will just be like a guest room. Really nice lighting. Again, super neutral, nice space, so we can do lots with this room. And then right next door is the other room, which is slightly bigger. They both have closets. This one has a little bit less natural light, but again, super nice, simple, and I cannot wait to decorate this. Already have some ideas for a bed, a tree, a little console. It's gonna be super cute. Here is the next bathroom, and as you can see, very nice. I love that the tiles all the way up to the ceiling. A tub, as well as another massive vanity and mirror with the light. I'm gonna maybe frame in that mirror, do something on this wall, probably take down, I don't ever like when they have shower rods, and then do something nice with the bathroom, just make it nice, light, and neutral. And then here is the laundry room. Again, not super huge, but I do love that it has a lot of vertical space. We're gonna do some built-ins all the way up here, and then some sort of shelving or something on this wall. So this will be lots of storage and able to fold and do some good laundry. So for the living room, as you can see, I have laid out a design of the sectional that I'm thinking about, and then leaving room for a console table to see how much extra room we have, seeing if we have extra room for chairs over here, and then we're gonna do a TV, and that will be the back of the couch. And then if we don't do the chairs here, something back on this wall. Again, lots of light and space to do wonderful things with. And then moving out to what some would say is the best part. This is the back patio, and then look at that beautiful view. So this is really what we want to concentrate on, loving that view. And with that being said, we have this nice large covered area to do something with. So I'm gonna do some seating of some kind, and then potentially out here gonna do a built-in for the grill and all of that sort of stuff. So lots and lots of potential. This is going to be an ongoing project for probably the next 6 months or more, on and off, because it's a pretty decent sized house. We are starting from scratch, but I'm super excited because it means there's just tons of potential. So I will update you guys on this journey to this beautiful new home and new project. All right, you guys, that is going to sign me off. I hope you guys enjoyed this empty house tour. Please leave any comments, questions, ideas you have for decor down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.